Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn how to merge two different lists. So we will see how to add an element of one list into another. To do this, we will create a new list that combines both lists. So first, let's define two different lists. For example, let's say we have a list of odd numbers. What's odd numbers? Odd numbers is equal to, I open square bracket, and then 1, 3, 5. We have also another list of even numbers. What's even numbers? Even numbers, I open square bracket, 2, 4, 6 is enough for me. So what's our goal? Our goal is to combine these two lists and display the result. So I define result variable here, and then what I need to do, I just use plus operator to merge two lists. Okay, let's do it. Odd numbers plus even numbers, and then I print the result. I print result. So I am in 34. I run it. You see, I merge two lists. Super. With plus operator, we can combine two different lists. Also, we can use extend method to do it, to add another list at the end of first list. So we will see extend method in the next lesson.